guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make a slime that looks like the armor from the White Walker from Game of Thrones. And yes, I am a huge Game of Thrones fan. I can't wait for season 8. So we're kicking off with the white glue and then the same amount of body lotion mixed into a bowl together, and then just a little bit of cornstarch just to make it a little bit stretchy. And then we are just gonna color our slime. I am using just normal acrylic paint for this, and right here I am using the turquoise number 2, and then just adding our borax mixture into it, just until it's like a slimy texture. And right here is all the colors that I've made. And I also added a chart for you so you can see which colors I used. And then the fun part is mixing them all together. And then mixing them all together gives this nice marble effect, and then just using different patterns, appliances that you can use in the kitchen to get the nice armor texture. And I think this came out so awesome. I'm very proud of this one because it really does look like the White Walker from Game of Thrones. If you like my videos, please subscribe for more DIYs, fashion, travel videos coming soon. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.